Once upon a time, in a world much like our own, animals had evolved into highly intelligent beings. They had developed advanced technology that allowed them to communicate with humans in a way that had never been possible before. This new era of communication had led to a thrilling adventure. The story begins with a young girl named Lily who loves animals. One day, while walking in the woods, she stumbles upon a group of animals gathered around a strange device. She soon realizes that the animals have developed a way to communicate with humans and are eager to show her how it works. Lily is amazed by this new technology and quickly becomes friends with the animals. They show her all sorts of amazing things that they have created, from flying machines to underwater vehicles. Lily is thrilled to be a part of this new world and can't wait to learn more. The animals introduce themselves to Lily, each with their own unique name and personality. There's a wise old owl named Hootie, a playful monkey named Bongo, and a brave lion named Leo. Lily is fascinated by each of them and can't wait to learn more about their world. The animals take Lily on a tour of their world, showing her all of the incredible things that they have created. They show her a city made entirely of leaves and twigs, a library filled with books written by animals, and a laboratory where they conduct experiments. Lily is amazed by everything she sees. The animals invite Lily to a celebration in honor of their new friend. They dance and sing around a bonfire, telling stories and sharing food. Lily feels grateful to be a part of this special moment and makes a promise to always be there for her animal friends. However, not everyone is happy about this new technology. Some humans are afraid of the animals and their newfound intelligence. They worry that the animals will become too powerful and take over the world. Soon, a group of humans begin to protest and demand that the animals stop communicating with humans. The tension between humans and animals grows as the protests become more violent. Lily and her animal friends are caught in the middle. Not knowing what to do, they try to reason with the humans, but it seems like nothing they say can change their minds. One day, Lily discovers that one of her human friends has been secretly working against the animals. He has been stealing their technology and using it for his own gain. Lily is heartbroken and doesn't know who to trust anymore. Lily and her animal friends come up with a plan to stop the human who has betrayed them. They create a diversion and sneak into his laboratory, where they find evidence of his wrongdoing. They take the evidence to the authorities, and the human is arrested. The humans who were once against the animals begin to see them in a new light. They realize that they have nothing to fear, and that the animals are just as intelligent and important as they are. From the day on, humans and animals work together to create a better world. One day, Lily and her animal friends discover a mysterious object in the woods. They realize that it is a map to a hidden treasure. They embark on an adventure to find the treasure, encountering all sorts of obstacles along the way. As they journey through the forest, the group encounters a fierce pack of wolves, a raging river, and a treacherous mountain. Each obstacle seems impossible to overcome, but they work together to find a way through. Finally, they reach the spot on the map where the treasure is supposed to be. However, they discover that the treasure is not what they expected. Instead of gold and jewels, it is a book filled with ancient wisdom and knowledge. The animals realize that the true treasure was the knowledge they gained on their journey. They learned that working together and never giving up can lead to great things. Lily is proud of her animal friends and grateful for the lessons they have taught her. The group returns home, tired but happy. They are greeted with a hero's welcome and are celebrated for their bravery and determination. Lily realizes that she has made lifelong friends in the animal world and promises to always cherish their friendship. Inspired by their adventure, the animals come up with a new invention that will change the world. They create a device that can translate any language, allowing humans and animals to communicate more easily than ever before. The animals are recognized for their incredible contributions to the world. They are invited to speak at conferences and are interviewed by journalists from all over the world. The humans and animals continue to work together, creating a world that is more peaceful and harmonious than ever before. They build schools where animals and humans can learn together, and they create programs to protect the environment and preserve wildlife. Years pass, and Lily grows up to become a successful scientist. She remembers the lessons she learned from her animal friends and uses their ideas to make the world a better place. She looks back on her journey with them and realizes that it was the greatest adventure of her life. She knows that she will always be grateful for the animals who changed her life and the world forever.